Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jasmine and I will be your host for today. To all our guests and members of the media, thank you for joining us today for this press conference of Dindo Fernandez live in concert at Teatrino with Musica Chiesa. But before we proceed, please allow me to invite everyone to rise for a moment of invocation that will be led by Miss Elizabeth Oshira.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let us bow our heads. Dear Heavenly Father, as we come together for this press conference for the Dindo Fernandez Live at Teatrino with Musica, seek your guidance throughout the world, in the name of our Jesus. Amen.
Thank you po. Kamusta po kayo? It's raining in Manila, hindi po ba kayo nilalamig? Na-try nyo na po bang dala-dala naming bonete, fresh from Batangas? Hindi lang po kami nakapagdala ng kapeng barako, pero nag-provide naman po ang ating reception po. And also, sana po na-enjoy po natin ang ating lunch. Special thanks to Bayview Park Hotel Manila for accommodating us here today. We would like to express our gratitude to all of you who have taken time out of your busy schedules to be here with us today. Your presence is greatly appreciated po. Now, without further ado, let's get into the heart of the matter. I am happy to share exciting news with you all. Dindo Fernandez will be gracing the stage in a soul-stirring concert on October 28, 8 p.m. at Teatrino Promenade, San Juan, Green Hills. This promises to be a night filled with beautiful melodies and heartfelt ballads that will touch your soul. Alright, so let us spread the word by using our hashtags for today, especially to our live viewers. Hashtag Dindo Fernandez, hashtag Soulful Balladeer, and hashtag Dindo Fernandez live at Teatrino. Now it's time also to acknowledge our guests for today's event. First, word is from the Philstar po. Philstar, wala pa po. Okay po. From Click PH. Hello po. Pilar Mateo. Jan Fontanilla, Gray Pumaloy po, Edge Tenoria, Filipino Star ngayon, Salve Asis po, and also Manila Bulletin po, Alvin Ignacio, and from PMM Multimedia Services po. Hello po sa inyo. And now, it's time to introduce the man of the hour. He is one of the nominees at 2022 Aliw Awards for Best New Male Artist and Best Male Performance in a Concert. The soulful balladeer and crystal voice of Asia, no other than Mr. Dindo Fernandez.
Damhin mo ang hinanakit, naging manhid man itong dibdib. Hindi tayo dapat paapin. Sa bawat banta ng karahasan, pananalig sa Diyos ang umaasang magbabalik ang pagkala sa buhay, batas at kaayusan. Makinig ka, mas bayan, makinig ka naman sa mga mamamayan. Hindi ba't isa ang ating hangalan? isang panggala. Umaasang magbabalik ang paggalang sa buhay, batas at kaayusan. Makinig ka naman sa bayan, makinig ka naman sa mga mamamayan. Hindi ba't isa ang ating hangad, ang maunlad at mayabang Pilipinas? Pagkakaisa ng kabataan, buo na matibay. Pagkakaisa ay sandata, ang tanging pag-asa. Ikaw, ako, magtatagumpay tayo, sama-sama mga agla ng pagbabago. Makinig ka naman sa bayan, makinig ka naman sa mga mamamayan. Hindi ba't iisa ang ating hangad, ang maunlad at payapang Pilipinas? Ang maunlad at payapang Pilipinas. Hello. How are you guys? Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo po sa aking press con for the Dean De Fernandez Live at Teatrino with Musica Chiesa. Ikanagagalak ko po ulit kayong makita sa ikalawang pagkakataon. And I'm looking forward to see you all in my concert on October 28. Yeah, before we proceed to the next phase, I would like to give you a song that usually gives me strength. No, I want to share this song to all of you guys. Lately, I've been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and cry for just a while, 'cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. Unafraid because his armor is the best. But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, I've never faced retreat, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. 'Cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. And they don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and look for a smile. 'Cause deep inside this armor, deep inside this deep inside this the warrior is a child. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Dindo, for that wonderful song. Wow, just wow. Lalo po ba kayong nilamig? Okay, so now, we'll open the floor po for questions from our media. Feel free to ask any questions you have for Sir Dindo Fernandez po.
Talagang any yun, ha? Any.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Hello po.
Alright.
Hello.
Hi again, everyone. So for the first question, Miss Pilar.
Meron ka bang mic? Charot? Hello, Sir Dindo. Kumusta uli? Kwentuhan mo naman kami ngayon kung ano yung mangyayari kasi ito na yung pinapangarap mo, di ba, na concert. Ano yung preparation? Tapos ano yung mga challenges na binigay sa'yo ni Joey? Charot. Yung mga ganun po.
So actually po, this concert talagang sobrang ikli po ng preparations namin. Pero I am confident that with my team, no, with Sir Joey, Ma'am Elizabeth, Paolo, and my band, Musica Kiesa, I think we can pull off this concert. So preparations, we have done already the first rehearsal, and tonight would be our final rehearsal. And challenges, sobrang liit ng time. Yung pong mga music sheets talagang medyo nirarush namin because unlike the other, I don't want to speak for other concerts, but basically this concert po, we have all the music sheets, no? So basically nakalatag lahat. So expect that in terms of music, talagang maaaliw tayo sa musika. Everything is arranged, no? Everything is arranged in accordance to our discussion with my musical director. So, nakakatuwa rin po kasi my MD, Michael Bulaong, gave me that opportunity to work with him ng, alam mo yon, pinapakinggan niya ako. There were songs na talagang, Dindo, anong gusto mo mangyari dito? And anong gusto mong gawin dito? Then I suggested na ganitong gawin natin. At first parang ayaw niya and then nung sinubukan niya, maganda pala. So nakakatuwa, it's really a collaboration between an artist and the musical director, which is talagang bihirang mangyari. Kaya natutuwa tayo sa pagkakataon po na yun.
So, paano siya maiiba? Kasi meron ka ditong music chess up. Anong magiging kaibahan nito sa ibang mga concerts na napapanood na namin?
Well, this is gonna be a music and voice-centered type of concert. So, wala kaming LED, something like that. Wala kaming mga other stuff na nakikita niyo sa ibang concert. We will go back. We will go back to the old times, no? Wherein yung mga performers natin is nasa stage with the good lighting, with the good music, good live music. I think yun yung kaibahan na I think wala ngayon because everything, lahat ng concert ngayon, talagang they are really with everything, with visuals and everything. Hindi ka na makapag-focus dun sa mismong artist. So, and also, I think, ang dami ko sinagot. Teka lang, mamaya ako nasagot yung iba. Thank you very much for that question, Tita Pilar. But to continue, para maiba ito, this is gonna be historic because we have added something in the concert na hindi pa nagagawa sa local concert scene.
So, may special guest ka.
Meron po, Tita Pilar.
Sino po?
Si Jel Pesigan po.
Okay po. Miss Pilar. Now next is John Fontanilla.
Tito, congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Ayan, ang questions ko naman is, what made you decide na this time magko-concert na ako? Ano yung nakapag-push sa'yo para ituloy yung concert?
Actually, it's not my decision. 50% or 51% of the decision came from the people around me. So, if I'm going to be asked, parang ayoko. Parang hindi pa time. Pero people around me, sila talaga yung nag-push sa akin. And I think mirror natin sila eh. No? And then if you trust the person, if you trust those people, you know, and trust yourself, I think yun yung nagpa-oo sa akin para gawin yung concert.
Oh, pwede naman eh, kaya na eh.
Wow, thank you po.
Kasi last time parang hindi ka pa sure, di ba?
Yes po.
Pero ngayon, malapit na.
Oh.
So, kamusta naman yung selling of tickets?
Wow, nakakatuwa kasi parang 2 days after namin ma-launch yung, ito nga nakakatawa, parang 2 weeks ago lang 2 weeks before that concert lang naging available sa Ticket World yung tickets namin. And on the first day, there was this parang bumibili ng mga row. So, nung first day, isang row na agad yung binili
Wow.
na hindi pa namin kilala kung sino. And then, on the third or fourth day, another row in the balcony, exhausted already. And kahapon, I attended the Batangas Lions Club in Batangas City, so where I am a member. And they bought around 20 tickets, and then in the SBIP. And then they also confirm another 25 tickets under the Office of the Governor Mandanas. So basically right now, if you're going to ask about the tickets, it's already sold out. There are few tickets, I think 20, tama ba Mary Grace? Around 20
na
tickets,
lang.
no? Around 20 tickets in the Ticket World. Kasi this morning, I think it's Apex or another group bought bulk, right? How many? 50 or 60? 50. Yeah. So this morning. So I think nakakatuwa kasi the support of my friends and the support of the social civic organization where I am an active member is nandyan po sila para sa atin.
Ang dami nagmamahal, kumbaga.
Tama po. Opo.
And my last question. So kanina sabi mo may mga kakaiba na mapapanood kami sa concert mo. So this time ba, makikita ka naming sasayaw? Para may iba.
Actually, hindi po. Sa next concert po natin gagawin yan.
At least may next.
Yeah,
Oo.
of course. It will not stop there, no? So, very positive po tayo. And siguro po ang kakaiba dito is, I don't want to reveal ano yung gagawin namin. Pero sabi ko, this is gonna be a story kasi may ginawa kami dito sa concert na hindi pa nagagawa sa local concert scene. Nagagawin namin at susubukan namin. So, Q, hindi lang ako magpe-perform dito. Tayong lahat. So,
Yan ang abangan namin. Anyways, congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Thank you, John. Next is the diva himself.
Dindo, of the many songs na nasa repertoire mo, ano yung sa tingin mo yung kanta talagang pinakamalapit sa puso mo sa ngayon?
Siguro po yung Your Heart Today.
Bakit? Yan.
Your Heart Today po is a Jesuit Music Ministry, is a Jescom music, no? Isa to sa mga, I grew up singing that song. Your Heart Today belongs also to the album of Musika Kiesa. So, I grew up singing that song, yung Your Heart Today. And if you're going to listen to that song, talagang napaka-pure and napaka-empowering. And talagang parang wala kang magiging worry sa buhay mo pag nadinig mo yung song. Kasi it's all about you and God. It's about you as a person. So, wala kang magiging fear. So, Your Heart Today is very close to my heart.
And meron bang kanta na inilatag ang musical director mo na nasabi mo, ay bakit natin ito kakantahin? Parang hindi ko ata kakayanin kantahin to.
Actually, meron po.
Okay.
it's Michael Bublé everything.
Okay.
Funny kasi ang dali lang naman ng kanta, pero hindi po kasi ko masyadong kumakanta ng Michael Bublé. But people around me naniniwala na magiging magaling akong singer or bagay sa akin ng mga jazz music. So there are people around me na talagang tinuturuan nila ako at pinupush nila ako to do jazz music. Kaya in this concert, I'll be doing 2 jazz music. One is, ni-reveal ko na, that everything. I'll be singing that everything. And another jazz music by Eric Benea tayo, yung song na yun.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Diva. Yeah, before we proceed to other questions, Sir Dindo, maybe you can give everyone a brief background of what Musica Chiesa is all about.
Yeah, Musica Chiesa is an artist of Jesuit Communications Foundations Inc. So they have albums, no? So usually their songs are more of mga gospel songs, no? And ang maganda po sa Musica Chiesa, pag nadinig, they are a chamber or smaller orchestra. Pag nadinig niyo po sila, parang pop, very pop yung atake nila pag kumakanta sila o pag tumutugtog sila ng mga church songs. And I grew up singing their songs, the Musica Chiesa. I am a fan of Musica Chiesa. So, yun nag-start yung in fact, that Musica Chiesa, they played on my birthday in December of 2018. I had this birthday concert back in 2018. So, sila din yung band na kinuha ko, si Musica Chiesa. Yan, kasama nating sasagot si Direk sa mga question. Hello, Direk.
Pabatiin muna natin si Direk before I throw my first question. Bati ka muna, Direk.
Ay, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Nag-trivia na ako dyan.
Oo nga, nauna na sila.
Nauna na.
Pero anyways, congratulations to both of you, lalo kay Dindo. Parang nagtaka lang ako, inaasahan namin kasi this is going to be your first big concert would be, sa isip namin a Christmas concert. Di ba parang ganun yung mga sinasuggest namin dahil kumanta ka na ng pamasko ng Christmas song nung sa launching mo. And then parang nagulat nga kami, nagkaroon ka na kaagad ng concert prior to Christmas. Preparation ba to para sa mas malaking concert sa Christmas or just testing water kung okay ba na kumanta ka ng mas malaki yung audience at paid pa o pay pa, may mga pays pa?
Regarding po sa Christmas, matagal na rin po namin kasi talagang pinaplano na magkaroon ako ng concert ng October. In fact, September po talaga yung plan. Yung pong Christmas, yung parang concert in Christmas season, nasa pipeline din, pero mas gusto namin mag-concert po ng September or October. Because, can we say it? Alright. So, actually, we are, yung pong preparation talaga ng concert nito is gusto namin ng October, matapos ng October. Because we wanted, after po nito kasi, I'll be launching my single, which is, I sang that single, The Pasko na Sinta Ko. So, yun po. Ayaw po namin pagsabayin yung launching yung concert and the Pasko na Sinta Ko launching.
Medyo kakaiba nga tong concert na to for a beginner like you na sa industry. Tanong ko lang, bakit hindi mo naisip na kumuha ng isang kilala na singer and then para maging, anong tawag doon, guest or kaya front act sa'yo, which is parang doon sa iba sa ibang mga nagko-concert before ng mga first-timers o mga neophytes, panghatak at para makilala sa industry. Ikaw ba, parang naisip mo ba na pwede rin naming isipin, kaya na yan ni Dindo, hindi na kinakailangan, may sarili na yung audience, meron ng network and so. Tama ba kami ganon?
Well, I don't want kasi to ayaw ko po na yung mga tao, yung audience is ita-divert natin to something else para lang manood sa'yo. So, ang gusto ko po doon is manonood kayo because I'll be doing the concert, not because meron akong guest na mas kilala sa akin. Something like that. So, gusto kong magbigay ng ibang kultura pagdating sa musika. Na na pwede namang hindi ganon. Pwede namang hindi mo pupunuin ng maraming guests yung concert mo para lang mapansin ka. Mag-concert ka because kaya mo mag-concert, because meron kang ibibigay. Hindi dahil meron kang guest na mas kilala sa'yo. Something like that.
Pwede rin ba sabihin natin, baka masapawan mo because isa kang balladeer at mataas ang boses mo? Pwede bang ganon? Pangalan lang ang mapapanood natin, pero the performance itself, baka nga masapawan mo pa.
Ayaw po nating sabihin yun, ma'am. But, yes po, ayaw po natin sabihin dahil marami po talaga magagaling na singer sa ating bansa. But siguro po, I have something to give naman. So, meron po tayong ibibigay.
Direk po, ikwento nga, paano kayo nagkaroon ng collaboration? Makakilala na ba kayo before? And paano dumating yung,
Kilala ko
yung
na
project
si,
ni...
kilala ko na si Dindo because ako yung, huwag nyo na isulat ito pakiusap. Ako kasi ang head ng jury ng selection ng Aliw Awards. So, nakilala ko na siya. Nung nakita ko siya mag-perform, sabi ko, aba, may promise tong batang ito. Going back to bakit wala kaming guest na malaking pangalan.
Yes.
Actually, ang dahilan nito was that, originally, talagang intimate concert lang ito eh. Ang talagang plano ni Dindo ay gagawin lang sa Batangas. Yung talagang comfort zone niya. Kaya lang sabi ko, Dindo, kung dyan mo gagawin kasi yan, because that is the comfort zone, ang laki ng gagastusin mo. Tsaka ang hanap natin dito kaya ka pumasok sa industriya, gusto mo sumikat. Bakit hindi na lang natin gawin to sa Maynila? Because it's easier to invite friends like you. Plus, di hamak na mas maliit ang gagastusin mo eh. And then you're there, you're in the mainstream. Ay, nakumbinsi ko naman siya. Kaya, napunta kami sa Teatrino. Yun ang dahilan actually.
Oo nga, kala nga namin sa Batangas.
But going back, bakit wala kaming guest na malaki? Kasi, I'm the director, not because I'm the director. May tiwala kasi ako sa kanya he can pull it through. I mean, good looking. Diba? May tayo, may X factor naman yung tao. At maganda naman, let's be frank about it. Maganda naman talaga ang boses. Andun na yung complete package. Bakit kung mag-uumpisa? Bakit doon na sa Batangas? Dito na tayo, mas mura pang gagastusin. Actually, yun lang Yun lang, economic factor lang talaga. Mas wider reach at a lesser cost. Yun ang dahilan nun. Okay.
Vince, mukhang hindi naman affected ng inflation yung concert mo dahil sabi mo nga, ang natitira nilang tickets is 20. Considering na parang yung ibang gustong manood, mas bet na lang nilang bumili ng bigas, parang ganyan. Pero ikaw, ang yayaman yata ng mga sa network mo.
Siguro po, Ma'am Ray, as nakatulong po yung EF Live sessions ko every week, Saturday, wherein I was able to showcase, no? Ano yung kaya kong kantahin, ano yung magagawa ko na hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, pero yung mga kinakanta ko po doon ay medyo namimili po ng singer din, yung mga songs na kinakanta ko doon. And I think yung mga tao po na bumili ng ticket ay naniniwala na...
So hindi lang to mga tiga Batangas ang manonood sa'yo.
Hindi po, kasi po nagulat nga rin po kami, hindi po namin alam kung sino bumibili ng mga tickets, especially nung first week po. So, may mga bumibili po ng ticket na biglang hindi naman namin kilala. So, nakakatuwa rin po.
Last question. Bilang isa kang balladeer, tapos mga kinakanta mo, medyo puro mga slow, mga ganyan. Are we expecting fast beat or upbeat songs from you?
Meron po.
Meron. So yung ibang, eto yung sinasabi mong ibang side mo naman na
Yes
kaya
po.
mo. Para ipakita yung versatility
Yes
mo.
po, tama po.
Thank you. Hindi ka na mag-macho dancing, no?
Sa susunod na concert na po yan.
Dagdagan ko lang magyayabang lang ako again. Please bear with me. Pwede ko ihambing yung first major concert ni... Hindi niya to alam. Ngayon niya lang maririnig. The parallelism between his first concert at saka first concert ni Martin Rivera. Parehong may strings. I don't know, hindi niya napansin. Pero kanina nakaupo ako doon.
Ano meron? Paano mo
May string section. Kasi usually pag bago, no offense man, pag bago, rhythm lang yan 5-piece band. That is hindi naman pangkalahatan, but most of them. Si Martin at saka siya, pareho nag-first major concert na may string. Ito yon. Kaya yung sinasabi mo, is this slow type? Yes, slow type, but may mga ni-rearrange na medyo nagbumilis yung tempo. Kasi nga may strings na siya. Kung susundan yung original na areglo, di ba, puro ganyan lang. So, ang ginawa ng musical director niya, merong upbeat in some songs, but para may konting,
Ilang piece po yung orchestra?
12.
12. Wow.
Yes. Diba? For a
Complete the
newcomer,
rhythm and
For a
blowing.
newcomer na wala kaming big stars, talagang it's just voice and music. Yung sinabi niya kanina, meron pa akong sinabi kay Salvi kanina, it's just pure listening pleasure. Ganun lang siya. Wala kaming moving lights, it's just
Oo
one
nga eh.
light for Dindo.
Walang bulag, no?
Walang bulag, walang effects. Sabi niya kanina, walang mga effects. Talagang boses at music lang talaga.
Oo. Going back dun sa pinaka-basic. Last question na lang. After nito, open ka for, ang tawag dito, yung concert sa iba't ibang lugar, dadalhin to parang iikot, no? Abroad and up. For sure, merong kukuha sa'yo ng mga... tour. Tama, tour.
Actually, yun po yung very reason kung bakit pinilit kong magkaroon ng sheets, ng music sheets, lahat ng arrangement ko. So, I have gathered all the music sheets, bawat kanta, because dalin ko man kahit saan yan, kahit sa labas pa ng bansa natin,
Yeah.
I'll just get somebody else, instrumentalist, to play and they can easily play that concert.
Kasi meron ka ng areglo.
Yes po.
Thank you, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Ray. Parang yung nag-album ka rin, di ba? May rhythm at string section ka. Anyway, from Yoroko, Batangas City.
Hello, ma'am.
Of course, our Crystal Voice of Asia.
Yes.
Oo, ako ang nag-ano nun
Yes.
Nagbinya.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Oo,
Thank
Crystal Voice naman talaga. At talagang feel ko talaga yung... Anyway, yung first song po ninyo, original song po yun.
Yes.
Oh my God, pwede siya sa mga parang makabayan yung song, no? Oo, pwede siyang sa mga talent competition ng mga pageant, ng mga candidates, in fairness. Oh, you have good sense of styling, Sir Dindo. Are you going to wear particular designer ba from Batangas or particular designer?
Since wala po ako masyadong time talaga for this concert, hindi rin po ako maka-identify ng designer or stylist na medyo hindi ako magugulat. So, I mean, yung parang magugustuhan ko. Kasi baka mamaya gawin, tapos hindi ko type. O hindi ako. Tama po yung thank you, Tita Pilar. So, ang ginawa ko po, I look for somebody else na marunong gumawa talaga ng and then I lay down na ito yung gusto kong isuot. Something like that.
So you have, stylist po talaga.
Yes, pero
Pero mostly talaga ikaw talaga.
ako po yung nagsabi
Galing mo
ng...
naman.
Kasi po natatakot po akong pagsuotin ng... Alam nyo na ngayon yung mga damit. Parang kung ano-ano po yung... Hindi naman po sa but basically...
Kasi sa concert kasi, sir, importante rin din yung styling.
Opo.
And of course, yung wardrobe din ng magko-concert. So you style yourself talaga.
Yes po. Bale po, Ma'am Edge, ang ginawa ko po, ang sabi ko doon sa team, gusto ko yung susuot ko, kaya kong isuot after ng concert. So, alam niyo na yung ibig sabihin ko. Kaya kong isuot kahit sa functions, attend ako ng kung ano man. Hindi yung parang pang-concert talaga na hindi mo maisuot man lang sa labas. Something like that. So, I don't want to wear those type of
Ilang songs po ba yung expect namin sa concert?
19 po.
19 songs. And dito sa 19 po na yon, ilan po yung original song?
3 po.
3 originals. Oo.
3 po. Yung pang 20 sa next concert po.
Oo. Of course, sa opening kasi sa mga concert, may mga dancers siya, talagang production. Makaka-expect ba kami ng ganong bonggang-bongga? Hindi
Hindi
naman.
po.
Yung may mga tawag dito, bumababa from the area. Wala pa naman.
Hindi po ganun. Pero siguro po, if you will compare this concert sa mga concert po ng the great arranger, what do you call this? Nako, I forgot yata. It's something na classic orchestra, myself. So ganun po yung unlike po sa iba na parang ang opening is sayaw and
Yes.
everything. Hindi po ganun yung expect natin.
So talagang pure listening talaga of your
Yes.
crystal voice.
Yeah po.
Direk, ano pa yung shinare mo kanina? Ano po bang pwede naming
i-expect or anong atake?
Ang
Ang
atake
makikita
nito is talaga ano lang, parang jamming session na may orchestra.
Jamming session.
Ah,
Intimate.
Intimate na ang ganda ng lugar. Of course, you've been to Teatrino. Bagay na bagay sa karakter niya. In fact, even yung damit niya, pinag-usapan namin, yung comfortable siya na magandang tinan sa entablado. Hindi yung magandang tingnan pero apektado naman yung singing niya. Ay, hindi. Dapat hindi apektado yung singing niya. At saka, actually yung body type niya, he can carry naman any style. Kaya lang, yung kung saan siya komportable doon, di ba? So yun. Let me share to you bakit ang tawag nila a chamber orchestra. What is the difference between a chamber orchestra and a full orchestra? Yung chamber kasi word lang yun eh. Ibig sabihin, pag yung orchestra kasya sa isang kwarto na medium size, ang tawag niyan ay chamber orchestra. Pag hindi na siya nagkasya sa standard size room, ang tawag na nila dyan symphony. Pag ang musikero naman of playing members of the orchestra totals more than 70 plus, yan ang tinatawag na philharmonic. So, ano pagkakaiba ng philharmonic sa orchestra, sa chamber? Ayan yun.
Ay, may natutunan tayong araw na ito. Oo. Teacher na teacher. Hindi totoo. Last question na lang, Sir Dindo, no? How do you want people to remember you? Yeah, yes, aside sa pagiging, siguro in general na lang. In general na lang, hindi, pang pageant, di ba? Hindi as a singer, as a entrepreneur, as businessman. Yes.
Siguro po somebody who sings songs that is yung may kabuluhan, something like that.
Wow.
So, mga songs that will uplift, will motivate, will inspire. So, gusto ko pong ganun. Gusto ko po yung mga awitin ko ay nakakatulong sa bawat isa. So, yayakapin natin kapag may mga times na kailangan nating bumalik sa sarili natin, mga songs na magpapasaya sa atin pag kailangan natin, mga awitin na magmamotivate sa atin para to go on with our life.
Ayun. Congratulations in advance, Sir Dindo. Invited ba kami sa concert?
Lahat po
Oh,
kayo.
ayun. Go.
Wag po kayo mawawala.
Na-encourage ko ba sa yung first song? Okay, that's good. Anyway, from Filipino Star ngayon, Miss Salve Asis.
Hi po.
Good morning po, ma'am.
Ay, morning po. Ay, Sir Dindo, sa mga commercial artists po, sino yung gusto nyong, let's say, magkaroon lang ng chance na makaduet or makakulab, if ever?
Nasabi ko po ito sa isang press con, but I'd like to meet and make songs with Morissette.
Wala po bang chance na magkaroon?
Hindi ko po alam. So hindi pa po natin alam. Medyo hindi po kasi ko ganun. I don't want to be very tacky. No, I don't want to be something like that. No. Kakanta po ako, ibibigay po natin yung musika sa paraan na kaya ko. But to really go on beyond, parang hindi po ako comfortable. But if there will be chance na ma-meet sila at na hindi naman mahirap sa akin, of course, I'm very welcome po yung pagkakataon na yan.
Alright, thank you. Direk, pwedeng bigyan mo lang kami ng background kung anong, na-mention na kanina yung ine-expect, pero anong, if ever na merong mga kanta na pwede mong i-recommend for Sir Dindo, ano yung pwede mo?
Actually,
Thank you.
yung maybe hindi ko sasabihin yung opening song kasi ayoko mag-preempt, pero napakaganda ng opening. Kasi yung aming trabaho, kami tatlo, siya, yung MD, ako, pinag-usapan namin yung mga pyesa. After the first rehearsal nga, may binali na kaagad ako ng dalawa. Although na-rehearse na namin yan, but magagamit namin in other... Ayaw ko kasi yung, sorry for the word, ayaw ko nung buga ng buga. Kailangan merong may low, may mid, may high, may parang wave siya. So, ano ba yung mga kanta? Of course, yung Pasko na Sinta ko, yung original songs niya. May theatrical piece na gustong-gusto ko. Sasabihin ko na, kasi di ba may guest siya, si Chel nga. So, happy siya sa song, happy ako sa rehearsal. So, we'll finally include that song, Sun and Moon, from Miss Saigon. Tama-tama naman, Miss Saigon is coming back on March. So, not because we are riding on the, nung we decided to include that in the concert, hindi namin alam na babalik ulit ang Miss Saigon. So that's one of the songs in the 19th.
Saigon song daw.
Sun and Moon. Sun and Moon. Si Jen, magaling na bata. Magaling.
Direct hindi gagawa ng cover si dito na ang nagpasikat babae like mga songs of Mariah Carey.
Actually, kasama sa plano namin yon. Kaya lang, ayaw lang namin parang yung sagol, something, what is that word? Ang dami-dami ingredient. Gusto namin simple lang muna. Tapos parang may levels kami sa kanyang career path na eventually we'll do this. Nakalinya pa rin nga kami dyan. Yung mga top hits ng mga singers nung araw, ng mga balladeer. So,
I look to you, Ray. Meron siyang
did I answer the question, Salve? Thank you.
Okay, the last but not the least, from Manila Bulletin.
Hi, Sir Dino. First po, congratulations.
Thank you.
Actually, more on sa concerts yung tatanong. Ako na more on personal. Since na-witness ka na namin on your first press con, kamusta po kayo ngayon? And how was your journey so far on the entering the music scene? May mga guestings po ba kayo? Something like that. Before heading to this first concert.
Yeah, after those press ko po natin, nagsunod-sunod din po yung guesting ko. So, Net 25. And then, I had this Rise and Shine, PTV4, where I sang the Makinig Ka. So, gustong-gusto nila yung Makinig Ka kasi merong time, Pilipinas yung ano ko and then Rise and Shine Pilipinas. So, yun po yung mga nangyari after our press con. And there are upcoming guesting also sa KM Light Radio, right? Tama. Kay Light Radio. And of course, I think Paolo is arranging something for the Wish, tama, no? Oh, yeah. So, and we are expecting it to happen before the concert, the Wish Bus.
Ayun, since this is your first concert po, what are your expectations na lang po on this upcoming concert?
My expectation is mag-enjoy ang mga audience and masasabi yung uy, meron palang isang Dindo Fernandez. And he is different. He is different. And meron siyang kanyang repertoire. Meron siyang kanyang musika. And may niche siya sa ating music industry. Yun yung ina-expect ko.
Anyways, congratulations po and good luck on your concert.
Tickets are still available at ticketworld.com.ph or call us at 0928-840-0409 and look for Miss Grace po. But that's not all, ladies and gentlemen. To make this occasion even more special, we have a little surprise in store for you. We will be conducting a raffle.
Very Dindo! Okay, kwento lang guys. Munti ko nang tanggihan tong Bayview eh. Sabi ko kasi, Pao, galing tayo sa sa EF Cafe and Restaurant. Kaya bang tapatan yung EF Cafe? Sabi niya, pipilitin natin. So, medyo short notice po talaga, kaya
Alright. So, yung papanalunan po natin yung raffle, is either Alright. So, babanggitin ko po.
Jasmine, siguro to give you some para din ma-excite sila. In the concert also, di ba? Yes, we will have some raffle as well.
Yes po.
Kaya kailangan po tayong manood.
Magkakaroon po kami. Alright. So, ang raffle po natin for today is 5,000 worth of services from Ice Skin Aesthetic Lifestyle. 2,000 worth of products and services from Derm Clinic, and 5,000 worth of services from Lajunes Aesthetic Lifestyle Center. So, puro pampaganda. Pampaganda. Dito lang po sa Manila. So, ito po yung number. Sir Dindo na lang po yung yung ating pong
It is number 11.
Number 11 is Manila Bulletin.
Yay!
Congratulations po. Photo op na lang po dito.
Bago siya malas ng concert, super ganda na siya. Dito din.
Congratulations po. Next.
To win what?
2,000 worth of products and services from Derm Clinic po.
Yeah. So it's number 4.
Number 4, Shiro.
Tita Beth. Alright. It's number 7.
Pilaru!
Happy birthday ulit, Tita Pilar.
Important siya sa birthday ko.
Thank you for the invite.
Thank you.
Congratulations po. And last but not the least, 5,000 worth of services from Lajunes Aesthetic Lifestyle Center.
Number 8.
Again, congratulations po sa lahat ng winners, and abangan po natin yung ating raffle po sa concert po ni Sir Dindo. And may I request din po for for photo op po sa ating mga media po with Sir Dindo. First,